What's up people, Manager here, coming to you with a video. This time we are going to be unboxing and taking a look at Vansky bias lighting for HDTV. Although I'm not going to be using it for the HDTV, I'm going to be using it mostly for my monitor and for my PC. And it eliminates eye strain when watching TV in a dark room or playing games in a dark room. No reflection on the screen because it's mounted in the back. This item product features are reduced eye strain, LED are carefully calibrated to achieve optimum viewing experience, powered by TV USB port, so eliminate the need for a wall outlet, and 100,000 LED lighting hours, so that should be pretty good. High efficiency, low energy use, quick and easy install. That's the email address, and that's the product. And of course, as always, this thing is made in China. The model number for this thing is V as in Victor, S as in Sam, TVL2. So let's continue on. Pretty standard case. Alright, pretty small package and banana for scale, if you want to call it that. And eat healthy, by the way, and hydrate. Alright, so continuing right along. Standardized remote. Power brick of sort. I guess you don't really need to have power outlet. The entire thingy with LED strips. I will say that this has a waterproof soft silica coating on top of it, and this looks like a IR blaster or a receiver, and of course the USB cord. They also include 3M solution tape, so you can use this to connect the sticky pack, and also on the back it has a 3M tape. Pretty standard user manual, basic instruction, basic common sense guide, and make sure the TV is spotless. And the remote information, the color ranges that you can get. Let me try to focus in on it. There you go. Those are the color ranges, and a very cute looking card with a winky face. I like that. You know, minor touches, but pretty good. Not happy what to do with it. Email support 24 hours, blah blah blah. And they also include the double-sided tape. So let's continue on. Step 1, take out the remote, take the plastic off like so, and they do have this plastic tab, so I guess the battery doesn't get used. And pretty standard looking UV remote. Power brick. I'm going to plug it in to see exactly how it functions. To power it up, all you need to do is pretty standard. It only goes in one way, by the way. Plug it in, and let me plug it into the outlet. Alright, so this has been booted up. Looks pretty good, I guess. It's pretty bright. It is flashing, so I like that option. And okay, seems to be having technical difficulty. They did take the plastic out. Let me take the battery out also. And to remove the battery, all you have to do is push it down. Take it out. It uses CR 2025 battery, so just regular batteries, I guess. And there is nothing in it, so let's plug it in and on. Off. Okay, this is disappointing. And the UV doesn't seem to be working on this. Interesting. And when I say UV doesn't seem to be working on it, this is the regular remote. Let me first turn this light off. Just unplug it from the wall. Normally, if there is a power connectivity, there you go, the UV will blink like this. Like right here, you can see the ultraviolet was coming out. But when I push the remote, any to all buttons don't work. Let me put a new battery in. Fortunately, this uses the same exact battery as my car alarm thingy. So, BRB. Alright, major disappointment. This thing, even with a brand new battery from a car alarm that is actually working, it's not functional. So I guess the unit is defective. While the product did light up, I'll leave them positive comment on that one, but this thing is dead on arrival. I was planning to make it a really good unboxing video and install video of this and give you the mood lighting experience, but I guess that's not happening. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe. Please do leave the comments in the section below. Let me know if you need to get any information on this, and I'll see you guys and gals later. Have a good one, people. Thanks.